undercovers. Look how he's filming me. You see that? They set me up. This one's a real dirtbag. This one too. They set me up to freak out, and then they film me. You see him? You see him? The little low-life undercovers. They allow themselves to be horrific, heinous tortures. Horrific. I've seen it. I've seen you undercovers. You endure unbelievable tortures for a couple of bucks. The lowest of the low, desperados. You'll allow yourselves to be heinous tortures. I have seen it. Unbelievable tortures for a couple of dollars. Lowest scum on earth. Look how he's filming me. You see that? They just set me up to get upset, then they film it. Here you go. Here you go. Dirtbag number 1, lowlife. Dirtbag number 2, lowlife. You see that? Why on earth would he be filming me? It was just a random encounter with a stranger saying, screw you in the street, keep walking. Why is he filming me? Because he's an undercover. In a trillion years, he wouldn't give his name or his ID. I would show my ID.
Go home.
I would show my ID. Would you show your ID? Yeah, right. Let's see you. Let's see you show. Let's see you show your ID. Undercover. Let's see you show your. I'll show my ID in a heartbeat. Oh, all of a sudden he grows silent, the little dirtbag. Go kill some more children for a living.